Hindi mo mahiwalayan at hindi mo maiwan dahil sa mga bata. Mali. Explain natin. Disclaimer po ha. This is my personal bias and my personal expert opinion. Buo ang pamilya is way overrated. Bago pa magkaroon po ng TikTok, I vlogged back in 2015. Napakatagal na, no? In-explain ko dito, on why for the kids, it's the worst, pinakapangit at malalang dahilan to save a marriage. Post ko po yung link sa comment section. In-explain ko na rin to in my previous video content dito sa TikTok. Ito po siya. I-click ko rin po yung link sa comment section. Ang nangyayari po kasi, nagiging emotional punching bag ang mga bata. Nagiging shock absorber sila ng negativity, ng negative energy, ng toxicity. Akala nyo lang, wala silang malay, wala silang alam. Yung mga away at yung toxic relationship niyo ng mag-asawa yung hindi na nag-workout may have potential traumatic mental and emotional trauma and merong effect yun kapag lumaki na sila. Alam nyo, sad reality nga, no? Meron akong mga kaibigan, sabi nila, Pep, okay lang mambabae, okay lang magkaroon ng iba, for as long as hindi naman ako physically sinasaktan o hindi naman physically sinasaktan yung mga bata. Again, lagi ko nga pong sinasabi, buhay niyo naman yan, that's your decision and that's your choice. Kaya po personally, and I've been very open and vocal about this, even during the interview ko with Congressman Edsel Lagman. He's the principal author of the Absolute Divorce Bill. Na-push na talaga po natin tong divorce bill. Kasi I am a realist po, realistic po tayo. Huwag na tayo mag-deny mga kaguro na talagang there are some relationships that there are some two people that they are not meant to be together. Kapag magkasama sila, very corrosive and very toxic lang ang naging relationship. Ideally po talaga, pwede naman maghiwalay peacefully, gracefully, respectfully, and maturely. Hindi naman kailangan maghiwalay na merong sakitan, merong bastusan, merong laglagan. Hindi naman kailangan ganon. May mga tao naman we have friends na naghiwalay, they're very civil, pero talagang nag-iba lang yung pananaw nila sa buhay, nag-iba lang yung perspective nila. And believe me when I tell you mga kaguro ang totoo niyong pamilya, your true family are the people na hindi umbalis sa tabi mo, na nandyan lang kapag may kailangan mo at sinusuportahan ka lang. Yung hindi ka iniwan on your hardest times, sila yung mga totoo mong pamilya. Kaya kung para sa mga bata na lang, ang pinakadahilan kaya you're staying in your marriage, that's a very good indication na talagang dapat hiwalayan mo na. Okay?